Paddington Tupiri, one of the founding members of the Children of Zimbabwe's War Veterans Association COSVA, has died at the age of 35 under unclear circumstances. Achiperi mushe murezimbabwe toona kuti chova chiitiko chishamiso chavhundutsa vanhu kuti aiwa mukomana uyu aiwa anongoshaika kana kuti anongofa zveunexpected. Ndisanamira mashoko abuda nyongo panapa mzimu ainoti subscribe oleka tina on the bell icon. Tipinanyora vachiti the announcement was made by COSVA through their official social media channel earlier today. Tupiri was the son of the former war veteran and ex-Zimbabwean Public Police ZRP officer known as Comrade Tupiri. He spent his early years in Mutare rural camp and was later awarded a presidential scholarship to study law in South Africa. His promising career took a turn when he joined the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, only to be dismissed from the position under undisclosed conditions. The circumstances surrounding Tupiri's death remain shrouded in mystery, prompting widespread speculations and concern. COSVA's statement did not provide further details, leading to questions about the potential causes and context of their sudden demise. Ndomashika anobuda panapa musara nhasi aiwa chinzi chashandiswa pamusoro pekufa kwaTupiri uku kuda kwokuti aiwa angonzi achifaiwa hapana kumbotora madhezi mukomana anobva atisiya. Tidze mafungiro enyu pinda comment section medu, sanga no subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.